When I first heard about DMT, I had heard about it through my massage therapist. But I'd like to back up a little bit because it's been a long time between the time I heard from DMT and when I first started therapy in general. I've been seeing a chiropractor for over 30 years, and that's mostly for back pain. I got good success with many chiropractic treatments, and then the chiropractor suggested that I integrate massage therapy with the chiropractic work, and I found that that was very complementary and that it really helped me a lot. And then I found a massage therapist here in San Antonio who told me about deep muscle tissue and how she could work on my muscle fascia and really get to the point of where the pain was and where the problem was. So I got very excited about that, and I signed up for treatments with her, and since then I've had noticeable improvement. The two areas that she focused on were my shoulders and my hips. I had actually had a ruptured disc 2 years ago that left me a little bit with some loss of sensation in my left leg and foot. And since she has been working on me, I've gotten some of that sensation restored as well as mobility. My gait was affected, my walking gait. I could not walk well. And now my walk is perfect. I feel like I've got strong physical health and my muscles feel really good. The thing that made the massage therapy different for me this time was the decompression massage, because it got to the deep muscle tissues that really were the spot where the most pain was and the source of the problem. I found that after several treatments, I was moving better, I had increased mobility, I had less pain and really less tingling in my affected limb. The part of my left leg that had been really, I had no feeling in it, in my foot particularly, now has feeling restored to it, and that's just a wonderful thing. I wasn't walking very well either because of the problem that I had with my disc. I had a ruptured disc low in my lumbar sacral area, and that ruptured disc has been giving me difficulty for the last 2 years. But massage therapy and the decompression therapy has kept me mobile, it's kept me active. I can walk, I can run, and I can do everything I want to do in everyday life, which is just a wonderful gift. I was getting such good results with the decompression therapy that I talked with my husband. And I said, you might try this because you've been plagued with neck pain and head pain, which was like a constant headache in the back of his neck. And I found myself giving him light massages every night of his life. And I said, why don't you try it? So he did. And he was very satisfied too, because he doesn't react well to deep, to high pressure when a massage therapist tries to put a lot of pressure on his shoulders and his neck, because it's painful. But the decompression was able to get to the deep tissues without the deep pressure. This was just perfect for him, and he came away very relaxed. And as a result, he said to me the other day, you know what, I'm cured. And I said, what? And he said, I'm cured. I don't have headaches anymore. And I just thought that was the best news. Now, being an RN, I really was skeptical about how effective this was going to be, because I really didn't understand it. But now I do understand, with some help of course, the internet and some brochures that I've gotten on it, that it gets to the heart of the problem. It gets into the deep tissue without really being invasive, without being painful, but it does the job. As I was into the decompression massage therapy, my massage therapist told me that there was even more to this than working on the muscle tissue of my shoulders and my hips and my left leg. And so I was curious, and as she told me about it, I really got excited, because she said that she could use this on my face. And she did. And I went for the full treatment, and I had excellent results. My friends are coming up to me and saying it's kind of discouraging because you don't have any wrinkles. And I know you're as old as I am. So I'm very happy about that. I feel good, and I think I look 10 years younger. Decompression massage therapy got rid of my pain. It took away the numbness in my leg. and it even gave me a new, fresh look.